Ladies and gentlemen, now the much awaited event, the announcement of award winners. We would like to invite Professor Pradeepa Bandal Naikar, the Congress Coordinator 2021, to announce the names of award winners.
Thank you, Ruani. To encourage the young researchers who have presented their work at the Congress, the best presenters of each technical session and poster session is selected and rewarded. The research brief competition is a new addition to the PGIA Congress, introduced with the objective to communicate main research findings and present it in a single page article or write-up. So we have this competition as well. In addition, we have invited all the boards of study for a poster for the competition each other to select the best poster. Now we have come to the most awaited moment of this annual Congress to announce the best performers of the 33rd Annual Congress. Unfortunately, we could not have them on ground due to health restrictions, and the winners will be able to collect their awards at the PGIA later. First, I will announce the winners of the Hantana Essence, the new competition we added this year. As I mentioned earlier, the students wrote a single page article on their research. So the second runner-up of this particular competition is Mr. A.L. Chandradit Silva. His article was on Will Sugarcane Face Challenges with Global Warming? Congratulations. The first runner-up is Miss KTNK Vijayesana for article titled Goraka to Prevent Foodborne Diseases and Food Spoilage. The winner of this particular competition is P.S. Pedruheva for her article titled The Abandoned Nutrition Bag, a sneak peek into the world of underutilized wild edible plants and their nutritional potential. Congratulations. As I mentioned before, each year we select the best poster among the PGIA boards of study. This year, we received 9 posters, and those were evaluated yesterday by the same panel of judges who evaluated the posters. This year, the gift for the best poster goes to the Board of Study in Agricultural Biology, which I am also a part of. I invite a member from the Board of Study to come and receive the gift. Okay, I myself will go and receive them on behalf of the board. I invite the Director PGIA Thank you, sir. Now, we present the Joachim Memorial Award. This award is to recognize the most meritorious student of the PGIA based on the highest GPA of the study year 2021. Dr. A.W.R. Joachim was an eminent soil scientist in Sri Lanka. This year, the winner of this prestigious award is Miss R.A.T.N. Ranasingham from the Board of Study in Agricultural Engineering. Congratulations, Tilini. Now we move into the oral presentations. As you know, we had 5 technical sessions. The technical session 1, stakeholder behavior in agricultural processes. The winner is Miss D.M.N.J. Kumari for her paper title, Spatial Price Linkage of Regional Vegetable Markets of Sri Lanka, a comparison of pre- and post-COVID periods. The paper was co-authored by J. Virheva and D. Hemachandra. Now, the technical session 2, which was on food quality and processing. The winner of the Best Presenter Award goes to Mr. K.A.P. Dalpadadu on the paper titled Manufacturing of Low-Haze Instant Tea Extracts Using Sri Lankan Broken Mixed Fannings as a raw material. The co-authors are HUKDZ Rajapaksha, CVL Jayasinghe, and SP Nisanka. The technical session 3, agricultural production and environment. The Best Presenter Award goes to Mr. P.A.C.T. Pereira for the paper titled Effect of Exotic Tilapia on Native Fish Climbing Perch and Environmental Perspective. The co-authors are CMB Dembatawava, T.V. Kandabbarani, Suranga P. Kodituakku, and U. Edirisinghe. Now, technical session 4 on pest and disease management in agriculture. The winner is Mr. Y.H.P.S.N. Kumara for the paper title Prevalence of Bovine Tuberculosis Among Cattle and Buffaloes in the Central Province of Sri Lanka. This paper was co-authored by A. Amarasinghe, G.P.A. Pushpakumara, H.M.S. Vasana, W.M.D.T. Ratnakumara, G.A. Gunawardena, and B. Alexander. Moving to the last technical session, the technical session 5 on technological interventions in agriculture. The Best Presenter Award goes to Mr. N.M.K.C. Premaratna on the paper titled Ex-Post Study on Expected Utility of Weather Information, Quasi-Experiment for Sri Lankan Paddy Farming. Co-authors are Atula Senaratne and L.H.P. Gunaratne. Now we are moving to the poster presentations or the poster sessions. The poster session number 1 was on stakeholder behavior on food quality and safety. The winner of the Best Presenter Award of the poster session 1 is Miss M.R. Roshana for her paper titled Assessment of Knowledge and Practices Regarding Iron Deficiency Anemia Among Pregnant Women in Kathankudi, DS Division of the Batticaloa District. The co-author is T. Mahendran. Now to the poster session 2, the disease control and pest management in crops. The best poster award goes to Miss A.V.C. Abegunasekara for the paper titled Wild Rice Species in Sri Lanka as Genetic Resources in Breeding for Brown Plant Hopper Resistance in Rice. The co-authors are G.D.S.N. Chandrasena, D.M.O.K.B. Disanaka, J.M. Shyaman Jayasundara, T.K.N.G. Pushpakumara, W.L.G. Samarasinghe, and P.C.G. Bandaranaike. The poster session 3, which was on experimentation and data analysis. The best poster award goes to Miss K.M.R. Gunaratne for the paper titled Mid-IR Spectral Characterization and Chemometric Evaluation of Different Solvent Extracts of Coconut Testa Flour. The co-authors are L.M.N. Marikar, E. Mendis, C. Yalegama, L. Jayasinghe, and B.S.K. Utpalakumara. Ladies and gentlemen, the PGI Alumni Association Awards are given to overall best PGI students in recognition of their science communication skills. Basically, only PGIA student presenters are qualified for this student award. This is time to recognize them. The second runner-up goes to Mr. N.M.K.C. Premaratne. The first runner-up is Miss N.J. Kumari. The winner of the Alumni Presentation Award of 2021 is Mr. K.A.P. Dalpadadu. Congratulations. Now, the time is to recognize the best of the best. The overall best presenter of the 33rd Annual Congress of the PGIA is Mr. Y.H.P.S.N. Kumara for the paper titled Prevalence of Bovine Tuberculosis Among the Cattle and Buffaloes in Central Province of Sri Lanka. All the awards will be available at the PGIA. The winners will be able to collect them at their convenience. Thank you.